Good morning, children. Today we shall learn the next Kannada alphabet, that is O. 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 So now first we shall see to alphabet O. O. Ombattu. O. Ombattu. Ombattu is number 9. O. Odave. O. Odave. Odave means jewelries. O. Odave. O. Onte. O. Onte. Onte means camel. O. Onte. Now we shall check to the other alphabet. O. O. Odu. O. Odu. O. Ole. O. Ole. Odu means to read. Odu means to read. O. Ole. Ole means diamonds. Ole means diamonds. O. Ole. Next word is O. Odu. O. Odu. Odu means run. O. Odu. Now we shall see to the next alphabet, that is Au. 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 Autana. Au. Autana. Autana means gathering. Autana means gathering. Au. Autana. Next is Au. Aushadavale. Au. Aushadalaya. Au. Aushadalaya. Aushadalaya is medical. Au. Aushadalaya. Medical stores. Au. Aushadi. Aushadi is medicine. Au. Aushadi. Aushadi is medicine. So children, we shall check for our writing practice. Now here is alphabet O. O. Onte. O. Onte. O. Onte. So we shall see for the writing. O is just written as, we write small alphabet W. So first we hold the pencil in 3 fingers, join the dots and make a small circle. Then we give a curve and the second curve just as we write small alphabet W. Once more, circle, first curve, second curve. O. Circle, first curve, second curve. O. Once more, circle, first curve and the second curve. This is O. Once more, we'll see circle, first curve, second curve. O. Once more we shall write circle, first curve and second curve. This is O. Circle, first curve, second curve. O. Circle, first curve, second curve. O. Circle, first curve, second curve. So children, practice alphabet O, Kannada alphabet O, and complete the page. Now children, we shall check for the next alphabet, that is O. This is O. O. Odu. O. Odu. Odu is reading. So we shall check for the writing now. As we have written O, the same manner we are going to write O. So first curve, first circle, small circle, then first curve and the second curve. Then we give a small curve on the head of the circle. Once more, first a small circle, first curve, and a second curve. Then we give a small curve on the head of the circle. Children, please do not lift the hand unless and until you have completed writing the alphabet. So first curve, second curve, and a small curve on the head of the circle, that is O. Small circle first curve, second curve, small curve on the head of the circle. O. Do not lift the hand till you have finished tracing the full alphabet. O. Now we shall trace it here. Circle, first curve, second curve. O. Circle, first curve, second curve, and a small curve. O. Circle, first curve, second curve, and a small curve. O. Circle, first curve, second curve, and a small curve. O on the head of the circle. So children, this is how you have to complete the page. Now we shall check for the writing of next alphabet, that is Au. Au, Aushadha. Au, Aushadha. Aushadha is medicine. So we'll check for the writing. Just as we have written O and O, the same manner we shall trace alphabet Au by holding the pencil in 3 fingers. And now give a first circle, then first curve, second curve. Then on the head of the circle we give slant curve and a slipping line and small circle. This is Au. Once more. Small circle, first curve, second curve. On the head of the small circle we give a half curve, semi-circle, slipping line and a small circle. Once more. A small circle, first curve, second curve. On the head of the circle we give semicircle, slipping line and a small circle. Once more. Small circle, first curve, second curve. On the head of the circle we give semicircle, slipping line and a small circle. Once more. Circle, first curve, second curve. On the head of the circle semicircle, slipping line and small circle. Au. This is the alphabet Au. This is the alphabet Au. Alphabet Au. So children, this is how you have to complete writing alphabet Au, tracing correctly. Thank you children. Have a great day and enjoy learning new things. Bye.